As of 2025, DoorDash has enhanced its integration with Apple Maps, allowing iOS users to seamlessly switch their default navigation app for deliveries. This integration offers three key benefits: better iOS ecosystem integration, improved battery optimization, and enhanced privacy features compared to third party navigation apps. There are two methods to set Apple Maps as your default navigation. Method one is through the DoorDash app itself. Open the Dasher app, navigate to Settings using the gear icon, then select Navigation or Map Settings. Method two uses your iOS system settings. Go to iOS Settings, scroll down to find the DoorDash Dasher app, then select Default Apps or Navigation, and set Apple Maps as your preferred navigation option. This seamless integration uses deep linking technology to automatically launch Apple Maps with pre-populated delivery addresses. After completing your delivery, the system automatically returns you to the DoorDash app, creating a smooth workflow for drivers. Apple Maps has gained significant popularity among DoorDash drivers, with approximately 38% of iOS Dashers choosing it as their preferred navigation app. The popularity stems from several key advantages. Apple Maps offers superior integration with the iOS ecosystem, resulting in improved battery life and smoother performance compared to third-party navigation apps. In urban environments, Apple Maps demonstrates superior performance with faster route calculations and better handling of complex traffic restrictions, one-way streets, and delivery challenges. For new Dashers, the most important recommendation is to test both Apple Maps and other navigation apps in your specific delivery area to determine which performs better for your local conditions. Experienced Dashers can optimize their delivery efficiency by using different navigation apps for different zones and taking advantage of Apple Maps' superior performance during peak traffic hours when iOS integration provides the greatest benefit. Remember to keep both your DoorDash Dasher app and Apple Maps updated to the latest versions. Regular updates ensure optimal performance, access to new features, and the best possible delivery experience for both you and your customers.